Welcome back to Abit Academy, and if you are new, a very warm welcome to you. This channel is where you will find learning technical and IT skills is made fun and easy. In this video, we will be working with formatting styles. Let's not delay any further, just hit those like and subscribe buttons to help me out and we'll get started. Styles are incredibly useful and they can save you a lot of time and effort. With styles, you can apply the same formatting to different parts of your text, like paragraphs and chapter titles. You can also use different styles to emphasize differences or similarities in your text. To apply a style, you can use the Styles group in the Home tab. You'll find numerous choices displayed on the toolbar, but if you want to see the full list of options, you can click on the bottom right of the Styles section of the ribbon. In the box, you'll see all the different types of styles that Word offers, like Normal, Heading 1, and Heading 2. Now, some of you might have noticed in the Font Styles section, some of those listed have the letter A to the right. When this is the case, they only control the particular characteristic of the selected text. Using styles can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a long document with many headings and subheadings. Rather than manually formatting each heading, you can apply a heading style to each one and Word will automatically format it for you. Let's see how styles work. I have a document that I have typed out here. It's just a few lines repeated. The first step is to define which parts of your document are the different styles. I'll highlight the first line and select Heading 1 from the Styles section. You'll notice the navigation pane has opened. This pane isn't part of this lesson, but you can see that it includes our newly created heading. Using styles and the navigation pane makes it very easy to move around a document. I'll then repeat the process for each of the lines that I want as Heading 1. Don't worry for the minute if you don't like the blue text. I'll show you how to customize the styles in a moment. Now I have all the Heading 1 lines identified. Let's do the same for the Heading 2 text. Again, highlight each line and then select Heading 2 from the Styles section. Now the titles. And lastly, the subtitles. This is already looking clearer, but I can still improve it further. For example, if I want to change the blue text for headings 1 and 2, I need to open the styles box by clicking the button in the bottom right of the styles section if it isn't open already. Now, as you move the mouse over each of the styles, you should notice a drop-down arrow appears to the right. Move to Heading 1 and click the drop-down arrow. Select Modify. From this dialog box, I can customize the Heading 1 style. I will just change the color for demonstration. Once you are happy, click OK, and you will notice that each of the lines we set to Heading 1 have been updated. Let's change the color for Heading 2 as well. Back to the Styles window and click the arrow to the right of Heading 2. With this open, I will change the color and click OK. Again, you can see that each of the lines we marked as Heading 2 have been updated. In addition to the standard styles that come with Word, you can also create your own styles. This is useful if you have a specific formatting that you want to use throughout your document, but it's not included in the standard styles. You can create a new style by clicking on the New Style button in the Styles window. When you create a new style, you can choose the name, the formatting, and the location of the style. You can also base your new style on an existing style, which can save you a lot of time by presetting the font, size, and color, which you can then customize to your needs. Styles are an essential tool for anyone who works with long documents or anyone who wants to save time and effort when formatting their text. So if you haven't used styles before, give them a try. They'll make your life a lot easier. Let's now look at how to copy styles and formatting across your document. Sometimes you might want to apply the same formatting to different parts of your document. In such cases, the Format Painter key comes in handy. You can find it in the group clipboard of the Home tab, represented by an icon with the form of a large brush. Start by highlighting the section of text that has the style you want to copy. Now click on the Format Painter button and the cursor will have the aspect of a brush. To change the formatting or paste the formatting to a new part of the document, select the text you want to apply it to. If you want to apply the same formatting to multiple paragraphs, it's best to double-click on the Format Painter button after highlighting the text with the formatting you want to copy. This will make the function effective until you click the button again or press the Escape key, and there you have it. That's how you can copy text formatting in Word. It's a simple and effective way to save time when formatting your documents. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, we've got plenty more videos to come covering all aspects of ICDL Plus Word Processing. From basic formatting to advanced techniques, we'll make sure you master the program like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.